Hi guys, welcome to TU Cribs. Hi, my name is Caroline and I'm a resident assistant here in Res Tower. So an RA basically is someone who helps engage community, who enforces policies, and helps out with roommate conflicts. There's 14 floors in this newly renovated building. Here in the first floor you can find the lobby, the kitchen, the community center desk, and a classroom. You're going to meet two of my residents on the 8th floor upstairs, Kate and Tina. Let's go meet them.
Hey guys, welcome to TU Cribs.
My name is Tina. I'm a freshman from Boston, Massachusetts, and I'm majoring in exercise science.
My name's Kate. I'm from South Jersey. I'm a freshman as well, and I'm majoring in health administration management.
We're so excited to show you our room.
Let's show you around.
So this is my side of the room. I went with a gray and pink theme. I would really recommend bringing some hangers for pictures. I love just looking at them when I miss my friends. And I also have some of my teammates on the wall since I am part of the swim and dive team here at Towson. So the dorms actually do come with wardrobes, which is really helpful. It allows for a lot of space. And they also have 3 drawers.
Like Tina said, we have our wardrobes, and they do come with a lot of space. They're very deep. So you can hang stuff on the back of the doors, and I hang my jewelry organizer, and over here I have a hook for my laundry bag. So these beds actually raise up to 30 inches, and I can fit at least like 4 good sized bins underneath, and this is where I keep most of my clothes and food. So the room does come with a fridge and microwave and also a freezer. You don't have to bring anything like that. So this is my area where I sit and study, and this is how I decorated my desk. I just have my calendar, and I have like my makeup and other organizers. Residence Tower is actually not like any other dorm. We do have quads, and each quad is gender exclusive, and you have 9 people per quad. So you have 4 doubles and you have 1 single, and each bathroom, our quad has a bathroom that shares 2 stalls and 2 shower stalls. So I'm very much of a homebody, and it took me a while to adapt, but the good thing that you can do is definitely get involved in a lot of clubs or go meet a bunch of people on your floor, and I'm very, very fortunate that my floor is awesome and they always come out in the common area and we always have fun and do other games and stuff like that.
Hope to see you on campus next year.
Bye!
Bye!